It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Hello everyone, hope you're all having a great day. Today I am working with a 16 by 20 white canvas that I've put a layer of white paint on, and I'm just going to try something different today again. So just watch in amazement.
You?
Yeah, I'm gonna watch in amazement. That's for sure.
That's what I thought what you meant.
Okay, first color I'm gonna use is Folk Art Color Shift Green Flash.
Oh, neater.
Then I'm gonna go for some Deco Art Dioxazine Purple, because I love green and purple together. I think they're very pretty together. And hopefully they'll be pretty on this. Okay. Then I'm going to use, what color should I use next, Johnny boy?
Pink.
Pink?
Pink to match your eyes.
You know.
I know.
My eyes were very itchy again last night.
Oh boy.
So I don't know
Stay
what
away
that
from
means.
this. It looks kind of thick.
Yeah, that's okay. I'm gonna go for this color.
That's pretty color.
Huh?
That's pretty color.
It's nice and full. And I'm gonna go for blue.
Sure, why not?
And then yellow, or yellow and then blue?
I don't know.
Yeah.
But you don't want to get your orange next to your turquoise. So.
I know, I'm only gonna put a...
Do you have any silicone in these paints?
No.
Oh.
Straight from the battle.
Is it what, 16 by 20?
16 by 20. Put some gold. Should I put some gold like in between them?
Okay, go ahead, why not? Little streak, yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at you.
Look at me. Then I think what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna put a little kappa. This is Deco Art Copper, and this is Deco Art Gold.
Deco Art Gold with gold
Mica powder?
mica powder in it.
Okay. Oops.
What are you doing now?
I gotta put my gloves on.
No, what are you... Beautiful.
I'll tell you what, I'm gonna tilt it.
Oh, from here? You're
Yeah.
going to add the rest of the stuff on there?
No, I'm gonna see how it goes.
You're going to, oh, okay.
It's almost dead there.
Have a good time.
What time is it?
It's time to get a new
Time to
camera.
plug it in?
There it is, 2:39. Took a while for the camera to focus on that.
All right, I'm gonna tilt it and see if it does anything interesting.
Ooh, you're at 13%. What would you like? An onion? Oh, you're not going to get down there far.
You never know.
Which way are you going first?
I'm gonna go that way.
Oh, you're going that way first.
Okay. So now I'm gonna do a little playing and hope.
Praying?
Praying and playing. I like this top part,
Okay.
but I don't like anything else. So. It's too thin. It's going down to the white, huh?
It's okay, that's why you got white on the bottom. But you should keep it up straight or else you're going to just use it as a swipe. That's pretty. We mixed the paint with GAC, what's it called? GAC 800?
Yeah.
GAC 800, so when it goes on thick, at least it won't crack.
Hopefully. Anything to try to save it, right?
That's the right color yellow?
Yeah, that's the only yellow I was using. So here, right?
Yeah.
Should I just put it there or no? Do it separately? Like I was
Just a
doing.
little.
Huh?
Just do a little like that right above the yellow line.
Follow the yellow line?
Follow the yellow brick around here. Yeah, right there.
This way?
Yeah,
Or down?
yeah, no.
Which?
Up. But you need more yellow. You need more yellow on the bottom here. And red. And red.
What do you think of that?
Mm-hmm. different.
Wait until it dries. Or should I do some squigglies? Or you think that's enough in there?
What are you gonna do with those black blobs you got in the middle?
Yeah, I'll have to do something with them. How about like that?
Sure, fine.
Or should I put blue on top of it? Alright guys. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. So I'll let it dry and see what happens. That's me doing this for today. This is the first time I used a big canvas. I probably should have done a shovel pour thing. But I wanted to try something different. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for being patient with me trying to do this. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and bang the bell to be notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, family, neighbors, and co-workers. Check out our paintings on eBay, Patricia's Art Emporium. Again, thanks for watching. This is Patty and John doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium. Please be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.